Hey DJ fam, good morning. So we're doing an unboxing of the Bluetti power station kasi we need an emergency power supply. So kailangan natin ng additional power station para if ever magkaroon tayo ng power outage, magkaroon ng brownout mamaya, meron tayong emergency supply ng kuryente para sa mga necessary appliances like electric fans, para sa pagpapainit ng gatas ng baby kasi we have a baby right now, and other things na kailangan kahit na may power outage tayo. So anyway, so we're going to be opening it right now. If you can see, medyo injured tayo ngayon, so I might be needing the help of my wife later. Pero let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so we have the Bluetti portable power station, 1440 watt hour and 1800 watts. Tingnan muna natin dito user manual. We have the charging cables. Ayan. Okay, so this is the unit itself. Yeah, wireless charging output 15 watts. You can see here sa front, we have 4 power outlets. We have the LCD display, power button, AC and DC. DC outlet. This is the DC input, 12 volts, 10 amperes. And tapos, yeah, so aside from the 4 power outlets, we have 4 USB ports, saka isang USB-C port. Ayan. Tapos, turn natin siya. Medyo mabigat. Rubberized kasi yung ilalim niya. So medyo mahirap i-turn. And some instructions, info about the model, and some warnings. We have the AC input. And what's this? Di ko mabasa.
Circuit protector.
Circuit protector and
Something else.
I don't know what that is. Basahin natin mamaya yung user manual niya. Okay. Yeah, so yan yung itsura ng ating Bluetti power station. Let's turn it on. Sabi, pre-charge na daw siya. Yeah, there we go. So it's 30%. Yeah, so hindi siya fully charged. So that's why we need to charge it. Tapos balikan natin mamaya kapag fully charged na siya, and we'll test some of the appliances. Okay, so now it's fully charged. It took an hour plus some minutes. Hindi ko kasi nabantayan, pero it's less than 2 hours kasi nung mga 1 hour mark na siya, binalikan ko siya, nasa 80% na. So fast charging siya. Tapos nung pagbalik ko ng mga 2 hours, it's already fully charged. So that means, 1 hour plus, nag 100% na siya. Right, so yeah, so we're ready to test some appliances now. Let's go. Okay, so we're currently in the office and we'll be testing our Bluetti power station. You can see that it's only at 94% right now sa battery niya. It doesn't mean nagbawa siya ng battery without us using it. I was actually testing some appliances kanina and I just forgot to unplug it. So, mga 30 minutes siguro to an hour na naka-plug yung fan kanina. Pero yeah, so I think it's still, we can still consider it at 100%. So anyway, let's move it closer to my temporary desk here. Pasensya na sa kalat kasi umuulan sa labas kaya pinasok namin yung mga towels. So anyway, we'll be testing the monitor, the laptop, and the fan for our power station. And I'm not sure if we can also test out the Christmas lights later on. Yeah, so anyway, let's plug them in and see how long the Bluetti power station can last. We also have some emergency lights here na hindi pa namin nakakabit. So let's see if we can also test them out. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do to use it, of course, is to turn it on. And then you have to click either the AC or the DC button. For appliances that you usually plug into the wall sockets like fans, TVs, fridge, you need to turn on the AC button here. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So that's what I'll be using for this external monitor that I have. It's a 23 inches HP LCD screen. Yeah, so there we go. Saksak lang natin, and of course I need to check If it's on, yeah, it's turned on. Yeah, wala lang nagpe-play. Next, i-commit naman natin yung ating MacBook Pro. So, saksak lang natin sa second power outlet here. Okay, and every time that you plug an appliance, nakikita natin yung power consumption niya o yung wattage niya. So, for the MacBook Pro, it's ranging from 30 to 50 watts. And you can also see here yung number of hours remaining for the battery no power station. So for just the MacBook and the monitor, we still have about 18 hours left. Okay, so next, let's try connecting our electric fan. Okay, so we just plugged our fan pero the power consumption has not changed kasi hindi pa naka-turn on yung fan natin. So let's turn it on. Okay, so ilagay na natin siya sa todo, sa number 3. Okay, so click lang natin power button para lumabas ulit yung display. And there we go. So from around 40-50, it now jumped to 122 watts. And it's showing we only have 8.5 hours left sa battery life niya. Okay, so sabihin natin kapag nag-work naman ako at home, hindi naman palagi naka number 3 yung fan. So usually naka number 1. So check natin. Kapag binaba natin sa number 1 yung fan, yeah, there we go. Naka number 1 na lang siya. So that should of course lower yung power consumption niya to about 112, and there we go. So yung number of hours left went up to 9.2 hours. So kanina di ba nasa around 8. So yeah, so about 9 hours na siya yung natitira ngayon. Okay, so iwanan lang natin siya now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a timer and to check natin how long the power station would actually last with the 3 appliances plugged in. So we have again the monitor, the laptop, and yung ating electric fan at number 1. Okay, so balikan na lang natin siya mamaya. Okay, so 3 hours after, I'm back. Check natin yung battery ng power station natin now. Yeah, we're at 3 hour 21 minutes mark. And namamatay nga pala yung LCD niya, so all you have to do is click on the power again. And if we can see here, we're at 61% the remaining, and we still have 6.5, 6.3 hours left of battery life. Okay, so medyo matagal-tagal pa. Balikan ulit natin siya maya-maya. Okay, almost 6 hours na. So 5 hours 44 minutes to be exact. Check ulit natin yung progress. Wait lang, medyo may harang. Okay, so let's check. Kamusta na ang battery natin? Okay, we're at 40% and we still have 4 hours left. Yeah, so medyo matagal-tagal, and I'm actually impressed by, the battery life. So yeah, so I think I'll be able to finish my shift with just using the power station. Okay, 10 hours na, 10 hours and 26 minutes. Pero hindi pa rin namamatay yung power station natin. So, kumusta na? Ilan na lang ang natitirang battery life niya? So let's check. Okay, we still have 1% and 0.2 hours. So, di ba? So, 10 hours with 3 appliances plugged in. Hindi na masama, right? So, I would say this is actually definitely good to have kapag may mga power outages tayo. So, let's just wait for it to completely run out of battery. Okay, so finally namatay na siya, and since wala nang battery, wala nang kuryente, namatay na yung monitor natin. The laptop has its own internal battery of course, so that's why naka-on pa rin siya. Pero the monitor and the fan, yeah, if you can see, the fan is also turned off kasi nga wala nang power supply. So yeah, but let's check yung lipat lang natin yung cable kasi nga patay na yung monitor natin. So I'll just be moving this. Medyo mahirap. Ilipat lang natin siya dito sa main outlet natin. Okay, so nilipat ko yung saksakan ng monitor sa ng MacBook Pro dun sa main power outlet, and we'll check how many hours before it completely ran out of battery yung Bluetti power station. Yeah, so check natin. Okay, so 10 hours 41 minutes before completely siya nawalan ng battery. So that's really good. Yung sa other power station, about 7 hours lang for the same appliances. So ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya, wala siyang warning. So magugulat ka na lang na wala na siyang battery. Unlike ng isang power station, meron siyang siren. So that's the only complaint I have, but otherwise, I'm really happy with the performance. Okay, so first impressions, I'm actually happy with the performance. Ginamit ko siya once pa lang, pero so far, I'm impressed by the performance. So remember, we charge almost the same number and the same appliances as our other power station. Pero this one lasted 3 hours longer, so that's definitely good. Tapos, pag na bat empty siya, pag naubos na yung charge niya, charging it to full 100% only takes 2 hours, or actually less than 2 hours. And that's just like a fraction of the number of hours, fraction of the time that it takes to charge yung other power station to 100%. This one also is a pure sine wave inverter. So that means it mimics yung load na naproproduce nung ating grid, nung Meralco, for example. So it's very good for sensitive appliances. Unlike yung other power stations, so it's just a modified sine wave, which means it uses more power and it becomes hot after some time. So this one, it doesn't do that. So it's actually great or recommended for sensitive appliances like laptop, computers, even yung mga medical devices if you have one at home. So yeah, so this one is really good. Yung material niya alone, it looks sturdier. Well, yung plastic, they're both plastic, pero mas mukha siyang matibay, right? So those are the first things I've noticed. Pero syempre, meron din tayong mga comment on what I think yung other power station is better, and meron din siyang mga cons itong Bluetti na power station. So number one, if you notice, nilagay ko lang ng Velcro strap yung cable. The other power station, meron siyang compartment at the top where you can put all accessories. So this one, it does not have that. So kaya kung kailangan yung dalhin yung cable, for example, you need to find a way para hindi siya mawala or malaglag. Yeah, so ginamitan namin siya ng Velcro strap. Tapos second, if you notice dito sa mga buttons dito, so this is the power on. Pero aside from the power on, you have AC and DC button. So you have to remember, when you're charging something, you need to press the appropriate button. So for example, if you're charging fans, then, or you're powering a fan, or any appliances na pinaplug nyo sa regular outlet, you have to make sure that you're pressing the AC. Otherwise, hindi siya mag-charge. And the same, yung DC naman, if you're charging or if you're plugging in any devices that you usually plug into a USB port, you need to make sure naka-turn on yung DC. Otherwise, hindi siya gagana. What else? Medyo heavier, definitely. So it's bulkier, it's heavier, which is okay. Hindi mo naman siya kailangan dalhin or buhatin all the time. Pero just in case you would need to, it's a lot heavier. I think it's twice as heavy as our other power station. What else? And of course, yung price niya. So since it's a pure sine wave, it's more expensive, actually 4 times more expensive than our other power station. Pero aside from that, I'm actually impressed. So if you're going to decide which power station you're going to get, kung meron naman budget, I would recommend you get this one. Kung medyo budget, kung medyo, di ba, kailangan lang natin ng temporary na solution or temporary power source kapag nagkaroon ng mga emergency, then you can go with the other one. So which is around 11K. This one is about 50K. Yeah, and that's it. That's all for now for the Bluetti power station.